Okay, bunch of birds out there. Got the dark-eyed juncos. There was a female cardinal earlier. Tell you a story. I actually got a picture of a cardinal right on that top thing there, behind the thing there. And you know what? I gotta shut this. This is probably not the greatest idea to do. But on that snow. But you'll see that thing right there. I got some. Oh, is that a tufted titmouse? Yeah, the tufted titmouse. Somewhere. Oh, those are probably dark-eyed juncos. But yeah. Anyways, there was a male cardinal right on top of there. Maybe an hour later, the female was on top of that post there. I got beautiful photos of these things, and that is a redneck woodpecker, red-breasted woodpecker, I believe. I forget what it's called. How could I forget about that name of the woodpecker? Flew on a tree. It's kind of nice that this camera can autofocus compared to my other camera, which I don't think couldn't even autofocus that good. Look at all those birds on the feeder. Yeah, they are hungry today. Oh, we got the American goldfinches up there. As you can see, the goldfinches have lost their feathers for the winter. They'll probably regain their feathers in the spring. And we got a house finch, and we got a goldfinch on that feeder as well. Look at that. Oh, there's the red. Oh, dang it. How could I forget about the name of that woodpecker? I'm gonna hold that thought. Okay, I finally got the name of it just in time. I saw this. A red-bellied woodpecker. So obviously, yes, a red-bellied woodpecker. He's cool, isn't he? I love all that snow. It's kind of nice to film in the window without getting blurry. If I took pictures through the window, I would get so blurry. All kinds of dark-eyed juncos on the ground. It's very, very crazy out here. Alright. Let's see what birds we get so far. Yeah. We got some variety of birds here. That's for sure. These birds are fighting. Yeah, my mom really loves these birds of winter. Got a house sparrow on the bottom there, as you can see. Yeah. Goldfinch on that one, and a dark-eyed jungle on that feeder as well. But no cardinal. Some on the fence there. It's just another dark-eyed jungle. To be honest, if you had a white fence in the background there, the birds could stand out pretty good. Be nice. Oh, what's that? Some bird. Oh, that's another goldfinch. And some of the birds flew away. That guy jungle right behind the cardinal thing there. Yep. Very cool. Tufted titmouse, you see them? Little tufted titmouse. They're very quick birds. They're really quick. They're so hard to get pictures of because they're very quick. They just take up food and then they just take one piece of seed and you just fly off. It's crazy. There's a tufted titmouse again. Oh yeah, and the black chickadee as well. Black cap chickadee. Keep in mind, I don't know if there's a... See, there's a tufted titmouse right there. My mom loves those birds. She thinks they're cute. Yeah. So there's a tufted titmouse right there. The cutest thing I've ever seen. He's so cute. There's a white-breasted nuthatch right there. And a black chickadee again. And a tufted titmouse. Cool. Fox squirrel on the fence there. And they remind me of monkeys a bit. Those kind of tails. There you go. He's gone. How sad. There's a bench up there on the tree. All the snow is completely catching up to him. Him, ain't he cute? You just take a dump, or is that just snow? The birds are back. Yay. Nope, there's a woodpecker. Might be a down, that looks like a downy woodpecker. Oh, I didn't realize I was still recording. Oh, there's the finch. I think that was the one that was on the tree there. Might have been. So far, I am seeing finches and dark-eyed jonquils. No cardinals. There's some house sparrows. Some house sparrows there. Or as they call them, European sparrows. Yeah. I didn't think I was gonna get any birds today. I think that's a house finch. It's not. Oh, look, there's a bird. There's a bird right there. See him? He's right up there. I keep seeing red, but it's that thing up there that I get confused on. Thinking it's a cardinal, but it's not. Yeah. A lot of birds today. Or this afternoon. There's two dark-eyed jonquils in the tree over there. Quite cool. Hey, where are all my cardinals at? I don't know where my cardinals are at right now. There's no cardinals. And dark-eyed jungles, American goldfinch, house finches, European sparrows, and woodpeckers, the downy and the red-bellied. Crazy. That's all it is. And the woodpecker, see that woodpecker pecking on the tree there? There he goes. He land. There's that squirrel again. Walking back. Just charge my battery for a bit so I can give you the final video. Finally, a cardinal. Nice, beautiful red cardinal. Bright and red. Look how beautiful he is. I love when they're red in this time of year. And there he goes. And that hatch on the roof. See him? White person nut hatch on the roof. Never seen that before, I don't think. There goes that cardinal again. Oh, look how red he is. Very red. He's so red. He's on the tree, you see him? He's on the tree. Here he is, he's on the tree. Look how red he is. See him? See him, guys? Wow, he's so red. Wow. He's beautiful. I love how red they are in the winter. Winter really does bring their colors real well. True colors. Oh, there's the female. And there's the female. Now I've got both couples. Even the female stands out real well in the winter time. Oh, there's the male again. Oh, there's the female too. I got both the male and the female on the ground right now. Look at that. Oh wow. Jackpot, baby. I got a video of a cardinal in the winter. Or two cardinals in the winter. Or this type of storm that we're having. Holy crap, it's been one hell of a day for snowstorms. Excuse me. Yeah. Cool. Literally, the squirrel is like in a very interesting place. That's hilarious.